Friends,
Good morning, Miss.
student evaluation, the first subject is science. Joelyn, why is iron used to make nails, but gold is used to make bangles?
Because iron is from metals that are strong materials, but gold is a shiny and expensive materials.
Next, Brazil. Oil and natural gas are found under the earth. Why do people need to drill deep holes to get them?
They need to drill them because oil and natural gas is under the earth.
Under the earth. Gladwin, compare natural materials and human-made materials.
What?
Natural materials and human-made materials. Compare. Can you give me an example of natural materials?
Give an example,
Yes.
like natural gas, oil and metals,
How about human-made materials?
plastic, rubber,
Do you, okay. Do you think that we need both of them?
yes, we need both of them
Why?
because it is important to our daily life.
Jevan, if there were no metals, how would our daily life be different?
Our daily life will be different because
We?
the metals.
So what will happen if there is no metal in this world? It will be harder, right?
Yes, the
Judson, do you think that the footprint? Okay, Joelyn, silent, Joelyn. Stand up properly. Silent. Judson, do you think that footprint of animals in the past can be called fossil?
yes
Why?
because
Because yeah, animals live.
living thing.
Okay, Judson. Apa itu rumah iglo? Apa itu rumah iglo?
adalah
Rumah iglo adalah
rumah itu adalah
rumah
rumah yang
terbuat
dari
balok
balok kayu
balok es.
balok es.
Oke. Next. Apa saja cara manusia beradaptasi selain menggunakan pakaian?
Manusia beradaptasi dengan kondisi alam.
Dengan
Kondisi alam.
bagaimana caranya? Misalkan, selain dari makanan, apa lagi cara kita beradaptasi? Dari
Rumah,
apa lagi?
makanan.
Oke, next. Gladwin, apa yang dimaksud dengan adaptasi? Apa yang dimaksud dengan adaptasi?
Adaptasi.
Adaptasi. Apa itu adaptasi?
Adaptasi untuk membuat lingkungan yang untuk es.
Apa?
Untuk es.
Bukan. Adaptasi itu penyesuaian diri terhadap lingkungan.
Lingkungan.
Ulang, adaptasi.
Adaptasi adalah pendapat yang untuk lingkungan.
Grisel, mengapa manusia perlu beradaptasi dengan lingkungan baru? Mengapa, Grisel? Misalkan Grisel dari kota Medan tiba-tiba tinggal di pegunungan. Apakah perlu beradaptasi? Judson, kemana? Perlu nggak?
Perlu.
Perlu. Mengapa? supaya bisa bertahan hidup. Ulang, kita perlu beradaptasi karena
Kita perlu beradaptasi karena untuk bertahan hidup.
bagaimana cara masyarakat dataran tinggi beradaptasi?
Masyarakat yang tinggal di dataran yang tinggi beradaptasi dengan pakaian yang tebal, makanan yang menghangatkan tubuh.
Oke, next, matematika. Take your paper. Oke, matematika. Data dari ulangan matematika kelas 3 adalah sebagai berikut. Sudah lihat kan?
Ya.
Berdasarkan nilai ulangan matematika tersebut, berapa banyak siswa yang mendapat nilai di atas 7? Coba lihat dari soal itu, berapa banyak siswa yang mendapat nilai yang di atas 7? Coba hitung. Di atas 7. Berapa banyak siswa? Finish? Joelin lagi sih. Yakin Joelin? Coba hitung lagi. Oke. Hurry up. 5, 4, 3. Yakin segitu jawabannya. Coba perhatikan lagi. Hitung bagus, hitung bagus. Yang di atas 7. Okay, next question. Judson Jayavan. Okay, next question. Mr. Lee bought 3 pies and 1 cake for 4 students. What fraction of the pie does each student get? Yes, this is, you will answer about the fraction. The fraction of pie. So, Mr. Lee bought 3 pie, right? For 4 students. So, the fraction is?
Three.
And it's, okay, go to class. Go to class. Go to class. Judson, take it. Go to class. Go to class. Let me check. Go to class. Yoselin, why is iron used to make nails, but gold is used to make bangles?
Because iron is strong.
Okay, and then how about gold?
Because gold is more expensive.
It's okay. Next
And
is and soft.
and soft and more beautiful. So it's beautiful to make bangles.
Leticia, do you think that the footprint animals in the past can be called fossils?
Yes,
Why? Because
because
some animals leave prints, okay? Because, Leticia, because
some animals
leave
leave fossil
footprint.
footprints.
Felicia, Oil and natural gas are found under the earth. Why do people need to drill deep holes to get them? You know? Are you agree that the oil and natural gas found under the earth? That's right.
Oil and
What?
oil and
Natural gas. We found it under the earth, right? Okay. Why people need to drill deep holes to get them? Because. Okay, another question. Why is iron used to make nails but gold used to make bangles? Why? Felicia, you shouldn't have answered that. Because, say,
because
iron. Because, skip queen. Queen. Compare natural materials and human-made materials. Human-made materials. Give me example of natural materials.
material oil
Then,
oil
what? Oil. How about human-made materials?
metal
Metal is natural, I think. Plastic. Plastic, right? Okay, what else?
paper
Okay. Do you think that we need both of oil, both of natural materials and human-made materials? Do we need both of them? Next, Alicia. If there were no metals, how would our daily life be different? Do you know? Give me example of natural materials. Do you think that the footprint of animals in the past called fossil? Alicia? Apa itu rumah iglo? Alicia, apa rumah iglo? Bagaimana cara manusia beradaptasi dengan pakaian, selain dengan pakaian? Cara manusia beradaptasi adalah
adalah
melalui
melalui
rumah.
rumah
Selain rumah apalagi? Next. Apa itu yang dimaksud dengan rumah iglo?
rumah itu adalah rumah yang terbuat dari es batu
Dari es batu. Dari balok es.
ya balok es
Next. Apa yang dimaksud dengan adaptasi? Apa yang dimaksud dengan adaptasi? Apa saja manusia beradaptasi selain menggunakan pakaian?
kan
Apalagi?
rumah
Bagaimana? Emang kalau makan sama rumah apa hubungannya dengan adaptasi? Supaya bisa bertahan
supaya bisa bertahan hidup
Next, Leticia. Mengapa manusia perlu beradaptasi di lingkungan baru? Mengapa? Manusia perlu beradaptasi karena supaya apa? Misalkan Leticia dari kota Medan tempatnya panas-panas, tiba-tiba tinggal di Brastagi yang tempatnya sangat dingin. Perlu nggak beradaptasi? Perlu. Mengapa? Supaya bisa bertahan hidup. Ulang. Supaya
bisa bertahan hidup.
next. Bagaimana cara masyarakat dataran tinggi beradaptasi?
Masyarakat yang tinggal di daerah daratan tinggi beradaptasi dengan cara pakaiannya, terus makanannya, terus pekerjaannya.
Itu aja. Next. Matematika. Soalnya yang itu. Berapakah banyak siswa yang mendapat nilai di atas 7? Coba hitung. Ya. Write down. Okay, take it. Okay, write down. Okay, next question. Hurry up. Mr. Lee, okay, next question, please. Mr. Lee. Yes, sir. Good morning, student. What happened with you? Stand up. Okay. What do you give it to me? Okay, we will review, right? Okay. Okay, listen to me. Listen to me. I will take my laptop first. Please come here, okay? I will take my laptop.
Mr. Lee bought 3 pies and 1 cake for 4 students. What fraction of the pie does each student get?
1 cake per student.
Fraction.
Just.
3 pies.